Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I figured I would do a vlog. It's been a while since I've done a vlog. Excuse the no makeup right now, the bad lighting. I am away from home. My husband is keeping the fires burning with my fur baby Winnie, and I am cat sitting. So let me tell you, this has been a nice little getaway, little vacation for me because I have been totally relaxing. I have been living in this, my hoodie, my new hoodie. I got that for myself for Christmas. Everybody got a hoodie. All of them are, what's the brand? Carhartt. All of them are Carhartt except my daughter-in-law and myself. I forgot which brand this was, and I forgot which brand my daughter-in-law's was. But hers was yellow, her favorite color. Mine's, of course, purple. I love it. It's been living in it just about since Christmas, really. Excuse me, I do not have my bottom dentures in, so there's that. What else? Yes, we are in the tail end. In fact, the snowstorm has ended. I'm happy to see sunshine. So anyway, you can see a little bit of sunshine there. So yeah, I looked it up and it said I am in St. Louis, Overland. I took a screenshot and it said 15 inches. Although around here, it doesn't look like quite 15 inches, but it's close. So I had just been relaxing when it was snowing. I opened up all the shades here in the living room and I just watched it snow. I watched a few YouTubes, a couple of movies. The first day, Batman, that's the name of the cat I am sitting. He wasn't, of course, himself. He's been missing his mama. And first off, he was laying in the hallway and under the table here in the living room and not eating much. So that was the first day. And then yesterday, he got much better. And the first day, he would not answer me. He wouldn't respond to me or anything. So I knew he was missing his mama. So that's natural. And then yesterday was much better, and today much better. So, and he wasn't eating that much either the first day. So now he's eating a lot. So I just figured I would jump on and start doing a vlog for y'all. When I get home, I will continue my declutters. I am going to do a makeup part. I will have all my makeup on except blush and bronzer. So I seen a video. It was Risa Does Makeup, and she was, I think she did a review on a bronzer and a couple of blushes. I can't recall the brand. I will put the brand on the screen, but anyway, I will be doing that and different things. I will show you the kitty that I am sitting for, and I will see you in a bit. I am eating cheese and crackers for lunch and a Rice Krispie treat. And the Rice Krispie treat is cinnamon churro. So it's pretty good. The people I am sitting for, they made up a little bag of snacks and things for me. And these Rice Krispie treats was some of it. So I hope y'all has been safe through this winter snowstorm. Wow, it was a pretty big snowstorm. So, figured I'd chat with you while I was eating my lunch. Can't believe January is almost over. Just can't believe it. I was talking to my grandson about a week ago. I said, you'll find out when you get older that time passes very quickly. So I guess as we get older, we slow down a lot. And that's why I think that's my feeling about it, that time just goes way faster than when we get old. I love cheese and crackers. These are Ritz crackers. I'll just put the cheese together with it, and it's pretty good. Cheddar cheese. How many of you get the Christmas after holiday blues? I do. But this little getaway, little vacation, whatever, has helped a lot. Helped a whole lot. I usually get really down after Christmas. Getting so many notifications on my phone. Finally, I got all my Christmas down. My tree is still standing. But when I get home, I will get that down and packed down in the basement. It's very sad for me taking Christmas down. That's just me, though. Still drinking it's iced coffee now. I let it get cold when I put ice in it. It's really good. I drink the Starbucks coffee pods. And you may think it's funny, but I use zero sugar, zero Starbucks caramel macchiato liquid creamer. Okay, and then I use not sugar-free, you know, the little tiny liquid creamers that you peel off the top. So I was using 2 of those, and then I'm down to 1. And I'm even using less of the zero creamer. So what I'm getting down to is just using the zero creamer caramel macchiato. So I am using less and less creamer, and I am enjoying the taste of coffee more. So this Rice Krispie treat is really good. Hi, Batman. Batman. Hi, sweetie. I'm eating right now. Yeah, I am eating right now. He knows not to jump up here when you're eating. So, I will get off here, finish my lunch, and then I'm hoping to get outside a little bit, and I'll show you a little bit of that. I want to brush off my car and scrape if I have to. The next door neighbors is supposed to take out the dumpster trash. So I don't know if they're going to or not. So far, I haven't seen any trash containers out on the street. So I don't know if they're going to skip this week because of the snowstorm. We'll see. But the next door neighbors is supposed to be doing that. So I don't know. I'll check it out when I go outside. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, it's not in here. Not in here. Do not have my scraper. No scraper. Oh my God. Okay. No scraper. I don't know what happened to it. I'll look in here again. No scraper. Okay. All right. No scraper. Okay. No scraper. Okay. We got that. What you doing, Batman? Come here. Come here. Aww. You doing your zoomies a while ago? Huh? Were you doing your zoomies a while ago? Doing your zoomies? Come here. Come here. Come here. I bet you. Okay, y'all. This is not the ending of a vlog that I was expecting to do. I am in a kitchen. It's not mine, but anyway, very bad lighting. I don't have a ring light with me. I originally wanted to, I put on just a little bit of makeup, but I am just totally exhausted. Totally exhausted. I ended up shoveling snow. Okay, I am just sore. What I wanted to do is put on the glam makeup. I have it all with me, but I am just so tired. And I wanted to show you guys 3 products. And the brand is CoverGirl, by the way. I couldn't think of the brand earlier. I don't even have the name of the colors in front of me. But this is one of the blushes, CoverGirl. Isn't that gorgeous? But I wanted to put on the glam makeup all except my bronzer and blushes. I have a bronzer here too. This is a blush, but it's a little dark. But this one's kind of bright. I really like that. And then here is the bronzer. So that is the bronzer. Isn't that gorgeous? Yep, I wanted to put the glam on and show you these and put both, well, not both blushes, but one of the blushes. It would have probably been the brighter one and the bronzer. So, but that didn't happen. I hope you enjoy the kind of comical parts where I was looking for a I said it so many times I can't even think of the word. Scraper. Scraper. I never did find mine, but I went into the garage and I found another one. So I got my car is all cleaned off, but I can't go home yet because that snow is just, I don't know if my sister will be hiring the gentleman next door, the gentleman's son next door, to finish shoveling the driveway. My sister and her daughter, one of her daughters, went out of town to a beach wedding. Her granddaughter got married. I was invited, but I couldn't afford it. So a beach wedding, guys. In I think 3 or 4 nights. They stayed in a I don't know if it was a condo or a nice hotel, but anyway, no, it was a resort is what it was. But anyway, I was cat sitting and doing a little cleaning while they went to a beach wedding. So I enjoyed myself with Batman, the kitty that you've seen earlier. But I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Next video, I do want to put on the glam and put on these blushes and bronzer. Oh, one of the blushes anyway. Again, excuse the bad lighting. So I wasn't prepared to actually I brought some makeup with me, but I wasn't really planning on actually doing a video or even a vlog. So it was just a last minute thing. So if you enjoy my channel and you haven't done so yet, subscribe and always hit that little bell for notifications. And I will see you in the next video. I don't know if it's going to be putting on blush and the bronzer or maybe another declutter, which I should be doing the first one after I get home. So I love you all. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. No scraper.